Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Simone Brielle. I completely forgot to film an intro and an outro for this video, so we're just gonna hop right on into the video. Alright, so I thought it would be really cool just to film myself doing my makeup and doing the get to know me questions. So I guess we'll just hop on in and start with the very first question. So the first one is, what is your name? And that is super obvious. My name is Simone. And the next one is, how tall are you? I'm 5'6". Are you a dog person or a cat person? I'm definitely a dog person. I'm really not a fan of cats, you know. So it is what it is. What year were you born? 94. Are you in or have you gone to college? Right now, I'm not in college, but I have done like several years. I only have a couple, like I think a whole year left before I graduate. But I took a break and it ended up turning into an extended break. But initially, it was because I got a new job and I really wanted to focus on that new job. And then, I just decided I need to focus on my kids because they're little. What is your favorite drink? Water. I drink a lot of water. I crave water. I do like pop, but it just really doesn't agree with my skin. So, and I want to keep my skin as clear as possible. So I try to drink a lot of water and coffee. You're wearing a perfume. What scent is it? I really like the Giorgio Armani Agua di Gio. I think that's what it is. But for women, they have like multiple different ones within that line. But I definitely like all of those. So I probably would be wearing one of those. Are you a tea or coffee person? So right now I've been drinking a lot of coffee. I'm really liking the different creamers that are dropping for the holiday season. So I've been drinking a lot of coffee, but I do go back and forth. Like when I'm actually working, I'm probably drinking green tea. So what are your life goals? I want to be financially stable. I want to have a stronger relationship with God. I want to be in a happy marriage, and I want to raise happy children. So those are my life goals. What sports do you play or have you played? I played basketball in grade school, which I was not good at it, but I liked it for some reason. And then I also played volleyball, which I actually was very good at volleyball. And actually, if I see a volleyball court, I'll still go on out there and play. So I don't know, it just depends. What's your favorite movie? That's hard. I have so many favorite movies. Like I love Norbit. I like Love and Basketball. I love Django. I mean, there's just so many. I don't even know. Do you have any kids? I sure do. I have two. I have a little boy. His name is Jace. And then I have a 2-month-old baby girl, and her name's Journey. What are your favorite YouTubers? Jackie Ina is my favorite, and then Juicy Jazz. I like them for different reasons. I feel like Jackie, you can really tell that she's comfortable on camera, so you really can see her sense of humor. And then I like Juicy Jazz because her editing is very clean and cut, and I could watch a video and I could find what I want to get immediately. So I really like her for that. And she's really good at makeup. Do you speak any languages and how well? I speak English and I speak it very well. But I did take Spanish like all through grade school, and I took I think a year of it in high school. But I can't get it down. I'm not good at Spanish. Let's see. Are you single or taken? I'm definitely taken. What's your idea of your dream date? Probably going to the movies and grabbing like dinner at Olive Garden or sneaking food into the movies. I think that's pretty fun. How would you describe your fashion sense if you had to use one word? That's hard because I like to be comfortable, but I also want to be cute. You know, I don't like to show too much skin, but I like to be comfortable and cute. So I can't say cute because sometimes you could be cute and not comfortable. And sometimes you could be comfortable and not cute. So I'm just gonna say cute and comfortable. What is your go-to hairstyle? Definitely, I have like four. So this hairstyle when I need to like wash my hair, the hairstyle you see in this clip, or a high ponytail or a high bun. Um, but my favorite hairstyle I think is definitely like half up and half down, and then I like to curl my hair. I think that's really pretty. How many siblings do you have? I have two brothers. I have an older brother and then a younger brother. What is your go-to fast food order? Definitely the number one at McDonald's. That's the Big Mac order. So, you know, you get the Big Mac and the fries, and then I always get a Coke because McDonald's fountain drinks are fire. Do you use a PC or a Mac? So I use a Mac for editing YouTube videos, and then I don't have a PC, but I just have a regular laptop, and I use that for my job. What are your morning and evening routines? Definitely. So in the morning, I have, you know, like I said, I have a 2-month-old baby, so she wakes up, you know, super early to eat. So I wake up, I feed her, then I wake up my son. He's in kindergarten right now, so you know, we're doing the virtual learning. And so I just, you know, we work on school. So me and Journey, we usually just sit in the living room with him while he's working. Once that's all done, then I usually get dressed and then I just kind of chill. We don't really leave the house because of coronavirus and the numbers are spiking, and I'm just really scared that I could give it to my kids, I could give it to like, you know, my mom or like, you know, my family. So we don't really leave the house, honestly. Let's see, what else? Describe your eye color. Dark brown. They almost look black. What theme parks have you been to? I've been to Kings Island, which is really fun. And I've also been to King's Dominion, which is very similar to Kings Island. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is green, hence the backdrop and the eyeshadow. I love like army green. I love lime green. I just love green. It's my favorite color. I also do really like turquoise too. Have you been to any concerts or festivals? Which were the most memorable? Yeah, I've definitely been to a couple concerts, but my favorite one was definitely Chris Brown. He really puts on an amazing show. Definitely go check him out. So that's really it for this video, guys. I hope you got a chance to get to know me. If you like it, please subscribe and like the video.